Hello everyone. Today I'll be discussing following 5 relevant news from a legal context. First, a merger between entertainment giants Sony and Zee Entertainment. So recently, Competition Commission of India published its initial review report. We'll see what this report says about this merger. Second, generally we hear news about deaths due to poisonous liquor consumption. Recently, the Allahabad High Court decided on the liability of state government in case a person dies due to the consumption of illegal liquor. We'll analyze the ratio of this case. Third, what are the rules and regulations governing working hours in India? So there has been a recent controversy over Bombay Shaving Company's CEO Shantanu Deshpande's remark over work 18 hours a day. Fourth, Supreme Court recently granted interim bail to Teesta Setalvad over Gujarat Riots case. We'll see the background of this case. Fifth and the last news, Justice D.Y. Chandrachud's appointment as the National Legal Service Authority or NALSA chairperson. Recently, the Competition Commission of India has released its initial review on a merger between Indian unit of Japan's Sony and Zee Entertainment. In December 2021, Sony and Zee decided to merge their television channels to challenge their rivals like Walt Disney. The report stated that this merger will hurt competition by having unparalleled bargaining power. The initial review also shows that the deal is likely to cause an appreciable adverse impact on competition. For your information, appreciable adverse impact on competition is a test to check whether an activity or combination is anti-competitive or not. If CCI finds that this combination is hit by appreciable adverse impact on competition, this merger might not take place. Let's see how CCI decides on this matter in the coming days. Recently, Allahabad High Court in the case of Rani Sonkar vs. State of UP was considering the liability of state government to pay compensation in case a person dies due to consumption of illegal liquor. The court held that the state government, having complete control and regulate to manufacture and sale of liquor, is prima facie liable to pay compensation to the keen of deceased who died due to the consumption of poisonous liquor. Shantanu Deshpande, the founder and CEO of Bombay Shaving Company, has recently ignited a social media controversy with a post advising freshers and young people to work 18 hours a day. However, it is to be noted that as per labor laws in India, including the Factories Act 1948 and Shops and Establishment Act 1953, the maximum working time for an adult worker has been prescribed to be not more than 9 hours a day and 48 hours a week. Under new labor codes also, the government has kept daily and weekly hours at 12 hours and 48 hours respectively. Therefore, the remark made by the CEO Shantanu is not in consonance with the regulatory framework. On 2nd September 2022, the Supreme Court granted interim bail to Teesta Setalvad in Gujarat case. However, it stated that the entire matter on merits shall be considered by High Court independently and any observation made by this court will not influence High Court's decision. Giving background of this case, Setalvad's arrest came after a 3-judge bench of Supreme Court had made adverse remarks against her on 24th June, while dismissing the plea by Jakia Jafri, whose husband was killed during the 2002 Gujarat riots. Jakia Jafri had challenged the Gujarat High Court's decision of 2017, accepting the closure report filed by the Special Investigation Team or SIT in the case. While dismissing the plea, the Supreme Court had made observations against Ms. Setalvad. Subsequently, Ms. Setalvad was arrested by the Gujarat Anti-Terrorism Squad from Mumbai. On 2nd August, the Gujarat High Court had issued notice to the SIT asking it to respond to bail applications filed by Setalvad. The matter is decided to be heard by the High Court on 19th September. It is this long gap for next hearing date from 2nd August to 19th September that Ms. Setalvad took objection to in her appeal before the Supreme. On 3rd September 2022, the President of India, Draupadi Murmu, appointed Supreme Court Judge Justice D.Y. Chandrachud as the next executive chairperson of National Legal Service Authority or NALSA. The principal objective of NALSA is to provide free and competent legal services to the weaker sections of the society. The notification of appointment was published by the Ministry of Law and Justice in the official gazette. CJI Lalit was the previous executive chairperson of NALSA. As per the convention, this post is occupied by the senior second judge of Supreme Court. It is to be noted that after CJI Thieu Lalit's retirement in November 2022, Justice Chandrachud is set to become the 50th Chief Justice of India. That's all for the day. Please subscribe to our channel if you like this video. Thank you.